Good morning, budgeting friends. Welcome back to Work Right Planner. On this channel, we talk about my budgeting journey as I learn about finance and try to pay off 6 figures of overall debt. That is including my house. Here I share my successes and my failures in hopes that none of you make the same mistakes that I did. So if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I appreciate your support so much. All your comments, your advice, I just do. You have no idea. And if you're new here, pull up a seat, stay a while. I hope you enjoy. Today is the fun day. We got the budget out of the way. Now we get to apply the budget. And this one is small. So I did want to kind of talk about what's the point of cash stuffing if you don't have a big cash stuffing. Like this one, y'all, it's $27. We have 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. It's not much, but that's all that came out of this small paycheck that I got as far as cash goes. And, sometimes it just works out that way to where you have too many bills that are coming out of this particular paycheck. So you feel like, there's not really any sense in doing the cash stuffing, but it really is all about sticking to the plan and making sure that you have the obedience to follow through. So that is what has made me so successful so far this year with paying off my debt. I'll give you guys just a little taste of what's coming later in the month. I paid off my Lowe's card this morning. Yay! So very excited about that one. Anyway, but that's what makes that possible is even when there's not much, sticking to it and going through the motions and making sure that every dollar goes where it's supposed to go. So that's what we're doing today. So I'm gonna just put these up here. I hope everyone is doing well. I hope the weather is holding out for you guys. I know we're supposed to have storms coming tomorrow, and you guys have heard me talk about it before. This is Kentucky weather. Yesterday, it was 32 degrees outside when we stepped out in the morning. It was 80 by the afternoon. Tomorrow, there's another cold front coming through, and we're going to have terrible storms. Who knows? Who knows what Mother Nature is going to do this week? I'm just saying. Okay, so grandkids is going to get $7. I hope everyone else is doing well in the wake of these storms that are coming across. We are having some crazy, crazy weather this year. Or is it just me? Okay. The grandkids have moved back. So excited. They are gorgeous. They've grown so much. I don't know that I'll be able to read this to write out. Let's see. No. That's why I got the black out also. We'll color with the yellow this time, but we're gonna date this stuff with black. How much did I put in there? 7 plus 7. So we should have $70. So I have 20, 40, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Okay. Works for me. And I don't think there's there's not a little tracker in here, I don't think, for the grandkids. The next one is going to be Murphy, which is my emergency fund for those who don't know. And let me scoot this over where we can actually see. Murphy's getting $5. It's not much, but like I said, every little bit goes a very, very long way. And it's sticking to it. Sticking to it is what makes things happen. And not just being like, well, it ain't much, and then it disappears in your bank account or from your bank account. This is plus 5, so that's going to be $13.73. And of course, we've got the $1,000 that is already in the bank account. This placeholder is in my Etsy shop. There's a link to it in the description box below if you happen to like that. But that's telling us that there's $1,000 in the bank instead of having it here in my house. We're going to add this $5 in here. And whenever I count this, it should come out to be 373. So I've got 1, 2, 300, 20, 40, 50, 60, 5, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72,
this is
73.
A reminder. Time to shut off internet if dogs aren't out. This is a reminder.
So,
time to shut off internet if dogs aren't out.
I don't think that means we get to color anything, but you never know. Still only 34, so nope, no coloring on this one. Oh well, at least we're $5 closer to our goal, right? Right. So we'll get this in there. And that is everything for this one. Like I said, this one's not going very far. I don't even have anything from my cash envelopes that are in my wallet this time. So I didn't even get those out. We're not going to worry about all that. Okay, Mother's Day is going to get $2. If I can get it open. So that's going to bring us up to $66. So we should have 20, 40, 55, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, and $66 for Mother's Day. We're almost there, you guys. Almost there. We're almost there. 44. So I need to color in 2 more of these. Okay. And just in case you guys haven't caught on, I know that a lot of other YouTubers will just pick a color and go with it for each category, but I kind of like being able to see at a glance roughly how many different times I had to put money toward this to reach my goal. And it's just further validation for me that it really is little baby steps along the way that make these things possible. So that's why I do that, the different color every time. And it doesn't always come out right, because if I rotate, okay, so I have this package of markers, right? And I will rotate them through. Like next time I will do purple. And, you know, if I had not been able to put money toward this since the last time I used purple, then it would be purple again, which would not necessarily show me the change. But that's very rare that happens, that I don't ever make it back to it before I cycle through all those paychecks. But that's why I do it. Okay, that's everything from this binder. We've got one thing left, and I'm just going to swap these out to do it, and that is the debt snowball. And we have been making some decent progress on the debt. I don't know if you guys will have seen my debt roundup for March before you see this video. You should. Well, of course you will, because that one's already done and I haven't even edited this one yet. Lord, y'all, my brain is not good since I've been sick. It's just not. But anyway, I told you all in that one that I was changing up the order that I'm going to pay things off. So this is just going toward that crazy amount of interest that is occurring on my Capital One card. Like, it is insane, y'all. It is so insane how much interest is eating that up. Okay, so $421 deposit, and we're adding $13. So that's going to make it $79. So we have 50, 60, 75, 6, 7, 8, 9. Not too bad. We're not coloring this in because it's already been met the first time we put money in it this time. So there we go. And that is everything for this time around. My next video should be the April 28th paycheck budget, so be on the lookout for that one. In the meantime, if you're still in the mood to watch, YouTube has put the best match for you on the screen. Again, I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for sticking with me and for your support. You have no idea what it means. I'll see you guys next time. Bye, everybody.